He was a god of thunder, and she a woman of science. And although they were from different worlds, somehow it just made sense. And together they embarked on a journey of love. Thor taught Jane the way of the warrior. And Jane taught Thor the way of the people. And as time passed, their love grew deeper and deeper.
She's incredible, isn't she, Mjolnir? I need you to promise me you'll always protect her. And I love you too, buddy.
And love that deep has a way of becoming magical.